Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the phones find each other. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, leaving the page visible so it remains discoverable. On the other device, enable Bluetooth and put it into pairing or discovery mode. Make sure both devices are updated and have decent battery. Low power can interrupt networking. Once done, return to the iPhone Bluetooth list and watch for the other device name to appear so you can tap to pair and move into the tethering step. Once the devices are paired, enable Personal Hotspot on the iPhone. Go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on or allow others to join. This exposes the network to paired Bluetooth devices. Make sure Bluetooth tethering is the chosen method. Turn off Wi-Fi hotspot if you want only Bluetooth. Then, on the client device, select the iPhone from its Bluetooth network or connections list. The operating system will use the existing pair. You finish by verifying the connection. Open a browser or run a quick network test to confirm internet access through the Bluetooth link. If it fails, unpair the devices and reboot both the iPhone and the client, then repair and re-enable Personal Hotspot. This clears most handshake issues. Also, make sure the carrier allows tethering and that you have mobile data. If tethering is blocked or data is exhausted, contact your carrier. If intermittent, keep Bluetooth on and avoid airplane mode toggles during reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.